Welcome back. Today we're going to close out the manufacturing series. This will be our 5th video in the installment, so if you've missed any of the others, be sure to go check them out. But we're going to dive into the partner side of things. Just having Business Central doesn't mean you get all this information. The hardest part about any kind of ERP software transition is having the right partner in play. And yes, I'm going to promote myself here, so if you are done listening, you can feel free to tap out, that's okay. But having the right partner who understands the industry, which is manufacturing and job costing, how to deploy Business Central, that's all we do here at Accent Software, and how to have real hard conversations with people to understand, yes, that's a feasible way of processing information. No, that is an absurd way of processing information. Here's where we see you using this software. Here's how other businesses like yours have used this software and been successful. While we don't like losing clients to acquisitions, we've seen our clients grow and then get acquired by very large companies because they're doing such amazing things in the background with tracking information, making business decisions that lead them into large growth cycles. And so if you're using software properly and have the right partner to help guide you to that platform to be able to do it, you can make tremendous growth and tremendous things happen within your business. And not all Business Central partners are alike. Sadly, we see a lot of what we consider rescue accounts where a client has selected a partner because they were geographically close or because they were a very large partner. We're a boutique firm, we're small, and we're small for a reason, and that's because I want to have the best possible people supporting our clients. And so we have fantastic support on both our functional side and the development side to cater to our clients' needs within the manufacturing and job costing space. And so for that, it gives us our competitive advantage, and that is to just be agile and really help understand what our clients are going through and be able to offer those suggestions on what's happening with the market, what's happening with your competitive or similar style businesses, what's happening with the software and how is it changing and how can you use things more efficiently. And we do that without trying to reinvent the wheel. So we're not out there trying to develop the next great ERP platform. Microsoft has already done that, and it has fantastic tools to help you grow and adapt for your business. We are going to try to stay as vanilla as we can to make sure you're using the software that exists today without reinventing your legacy system and maybe some of the pain that you experience today because of that. And so we're a pain reliever, right? Our job is to get you onto a great technology platform and then grow with it. And the technology and the software is going to grow with your business. This software can work for someone who we'll say is on the small side, maybe just under $10 million, to on a larger side for Business Central could be hundreds of $1 millions annually. There are companies that use it and they're in $1 billion cycle, but not everybody's like that. All right. There are tier 1 products that cater to that. Now they cost way more than Business Central and they take way longer to deploy and implement. But Business Central is great for that growing business that has the right partner to help them through all those growth pains so that they can get to that future state they've always dreamed of. So I hope you reach out to us. I hope this was helpful in understanding Business Central, the capabilities, the concept behind it. If you have a similar mindset to what I've described and you have those pains of some legacy software, reach out to me. I would love to talk to you. I'd love to understand more about how you're using software today, how you should be or could be or want to be using it in the future, and help give you some guidance, help you walk that path to get to that future state of the business. I'll have our number, my email up on screen. Please reach out to us. Use the link in the description of this video to book a meeting with me. Let's get some talks started.